to chasing trophies. We just witnessed an absolute cracker in the IPL. Mumbai Indians versus Royal Challengers Bangalore. Two big teams, two big franchises, two big fan bases, and RCB just scraping through 2-1. This is exactly the game that we were craving for, all IPL fans, and finally हमारे को मिला आज an incredible game of cricket, and it was a mid-scoring. It wasn't high-scoring or low-scoring. It was mid-scoring. So the pitch was pretty good. I think credit to Raipur. There's something in it for the bowlers. There's something in it for the batters. The Mumbai Indians tried it poorly. Bhuvneshwar Kumar's on-song bowled really, really well. Then after that, some good runs from Namandir. He batted pretty well along with Tilak Verma. And Mumbai got to 160, and I always fans also felt that they can defend this. And Mumbai also got off to a fantastic start. Virat Kohli, another duck, another failure for him. But we know that what Kohli is capable of. And then in the middle overs, it looked like Mumbai is running away with the game. Bumrah also bowled pretty well. Corbin Bosch bowled a maiden. क्या जबरदस्त bowling कर रहा था, 4 विकेट भी लिया उन्हें. लेकिन फिर आया कृणाल पांड्या यार, out of nowhere. What a innings. जब भी उन्हें मुंबई देख रहा है आजकल, मार रहा है. लास्ट ईयर भी उन्हें मैन ऑफ द मैच था मुंबई के अगेंस्ट. आज भी शायद मैन ऑफ द मैच नहीं है, लेकिन मैन ऑफ द मैच वाला परफॉर्मेंस था उन्हें. उसका बहुत जबरदस्त बैटिंग, उसको क्रैम्स भी आ रहे थे, एक टांग पे बैटिंग कर रहा था, बहुत बेहतरीन. And it came down fast to that last over. With despite everything, 15 runs needed, we still thought Mumbai had the game in the pocket.
अरे भाई बहुत जबरदस्त मैच. Like you said, we are craving for something like this. 250s, 300s. We always associate that with Sunrisers, but today low scoring affair था. Sticky wicket थी. The wicket was holding up. Power play में से लग रहा था कि भाई wickets bunches में जा रहे हैं, so maybe आगे जाके और slow होगी wicket. जिस तरीके से मुंबई पुल थिंग्स बैक, आई थिंक नमनदीप, तिलक वर्मा शाउट आउट करना पड़ेगा भाई. 3 विकेट चले गए आपके. रोहित, रिकल्टन एंड सूर्या द कैप्टन अगेन इन अ स्लम्प, not been able to again bat provide that commitment to the Mumbai Indians cap as a batsman rather than a captain, I would say. But Tilak Verma getting another 50, I think it's 950 in Mumbai Indians and 100 already this season, so he's been doing some decent work in the middle order. But फिर आपका collapse आया, but then somewhere down the line finishing it off at a 163, something that you would be content with, knowing that the conditions are there for the bowlers to execute their plans. And RCB came out, Virat Kohli चले गया, उसके बाद देवदूत पडिक्कल who's been sensational, उन्हें भी चले गया. रजत पाटीदार आपके आउट हो गए. वहां पे ऐसा लगा भाई, oh my god, what's happening. Shortly after that, and Bethel, इनका बहुत slow partnership चला था. Bethel out हुए बाद लगा भाई खत्म है. But Krunal Pandya was absolutely crazy with cramps. Every other over, Bichara was struggling. Something that reminded us of Afghanistan versus Australia in 2023. Wankhede mein tha wo match, and that was something what we witnessed in international cricket. But in IPL, having that done with Krunal Pandya, given the form that he's had with the ball, he's been absolutely crucial for RCB to survive. But with the bat today, 70, 80 runs that he's hit, and a quick rate, unassociate Krunal Pandya with something like this, but today you have to make sure that T20 India may also be thinking about it.
Yeah, and Krunal Pandya, like the reason why I'm I get so excited is because I don't think he has that ability of a Hardik Pandya. I don't think so with the bat or even with the ball. But he has improved so much on his game, worked hard on his game. आप देखो वो 120 वाला बॉल निकाल रहा, बैटिंग में भी उन्हें अलग-अलग शॉर्ट बॉल को भी अच्छा खेल रहा, उसकी 6 हिटिंग एबिलिटी भी अच्छी है. ऐसा नहीं है कि उन्हें टैलेंट नहीं है, टैलेंट है, obviously that's how he's playing cricket. But I don't think he has that level of Hardik Pandya, but he in the last 2 years overshadowed his brother. He's overshadowed a lot of players, and because he's one of the main reasons why RCB is doing well as well, because middle over is crucial hota na with the bat and the ball, and he's playing as a finisher with the ball. वो 4 over उन्हें control लेके आ रहा, which you need a spinner to do. He might not be the most talented spinner, but he's the most smart, and he's very hard working as well, looking to develop very good. And first we have to talk about Bhuvneshwar Kumar, man. आज तो छक्का भी मार दिया, उसकी bowling भी भाई incredible control. Bhuvneshwar, I know a lot of people are not now everyone's talking about him. We weren't talking about him before, but what an incredible player. Do you think Sunrisers made a huge mistake now? But jokes aside, but what a performance today, man.
Yeah, I mean, purple cap obviously at this age, 35, 36, he's been sensational. Line and then last year people were saying Hazelwood was the main guy and Bhuvi was the second in command. But now you see the roles reversed. Bhuvi with experience, and this whole time he's been playing Tamil Nadu Premier League. He's played the domestic cricket as well. He's worked a lot on his game and his fitness as well. He's not looking as haggard as he was towards the last end of the season of the Sunrisers Hyderabad. It didn't look like ultra dubla lag raha tha, but now he looks more like lean. He looks more full of energy, and I think he's been able to survive the entire game and stuff. So that's why he's worked on his fitness. He's doing amazing. And the length that is in the length ball zone alone 60 to 70% of the balls that are landing in his 4 over quota are in that length area. So that just shows you his consistency and his focus. बहुत ही जबरदस्त उनका पिच मैप उनका जिस तरीके से जा रहा है. And Hazelwood is actually getting protected by Bhuvi this year rather than what we were seeing last year. And absolute legend, by like even with the bat he's been working. You see like the sixes that he's hitting and the boundaries that he's scoring. So Bhuvaneshwar Kumar to bhai, like nobody will deny ke absolutely legend of the game. Even at this age, like man of the match performances nikal.
Yeah, world class man. He's 36 years old. I mean, he's retirement age for a fast bowler, but he's bowling so well and he's leading his side into the playoffs or to the playoff spot for now. Also, the shout out to Rashik Dar, man, unhe bhag gaya bhai. Like we see, like people get run out and stuff like that. He was aware of the situation. शायद उसे नहीं लग रही थी, शायद नहीं मारता उन्हें, जो भी है, मगर he was aware today of the situation. He was running the quick singles. Even with the ball, I think he took a wicket as well. But yeah, it was a very good game of cricket for Mumbai Indians. The season is officially over. Who would have thought, man? I got this completely wrong. मैं तुमको top 4 में रखा था भाई. मतलब मैं तो अभी भी हजम नहीं हो रही बात की मुंबई इंडियंस नहीं है आईपीएल में. मतलब the first team to be eliminated along with LSG. I mean, you can't even bet that, man. Like there is no way.
Yeah, I mean there are a lot of problems in that dugout. We've seen it now. Hardik Pandya being out for 2 games, Surya coming in as a captain, and this crunch situation right now in Mumbai Indians. Red alert probably you would say. Rohit Sharma ko bhi nahi rakha. I don't know if it was for the hamstring or what the exact reason was. But there are many problems in that dressing room that's happened over the couple of weeks that have passed, and the rules coming out, and all of these things with Mumbai Indians that we associate and we hear. So next year again you have to say okay, you would not keep them away in the top 4 if they have this kind of a team. Maybe a trade here and there, and they'll be probably back to winning ways very soon. Maybe.
Yeah, I think like Mumbai also have to see the ages of the players now that a lot are 30 plus. They'll have to start investing in, which they do, but they'll have to start investing in youngsters. They might have to pull off a trade here and there. There's a lot to ponder for them. But first, we also had another game today, and Urval Patel is the guy I just want to talk about because what an innings, man! Stick cricket के जैसा खेला भाई, हर बॉल छक्का. I think 8 बॉल में 40 पहुंच गया था उन्हें. Out of nowhere, out of syllabus, Urval Patel.
Incredible, भाई, like 65 or 23. 300 का strike rate था उसके 50 पे, and absolutely out of nowhere ऐसा बोला भाई. We heard about Urval Patel recently, like हाँ चलो domestic में ठीक ठाक है. I think domestic में भी fastest century कुछ मारे हैं वो and stuff like that. But last year देख लिया था हम लोग, उतना मतलब समझ में नहीं आया. ये साल भी 2 innings 3 innings से 24 था, एक duck या एक 5 था उनका. So like अच्छा ठीक है क्या करें, but जो करे LSG को single handedly दिग्वेश राठी की छोटी पकड़ के मार दिए and went bonkers, man. And Ruturaj Gaikwad, jitna bhi bolo, again for Chennai Super Kings, they're looking in the top end of the table right now. Top half of the table is 5th right now, and you did not expect that. With the season that went without Dhoni, Samson pulling up a shift, Ruturaj pulling up a shift, now Urval Patel, Shivam Dube finishing off the match, Anshul Kamboj, both Labardal, Noor Ahmed today again economical figures. So this team really they're pulling each other up. And with performances about Urval Patel, they'll only give you hope for the future. This is exactly what Mumbai Indians would want, like the youngsters stepping up.
Yeah, it took CSK time to consolidate, मगर अभी उन लोग last year से ये शुरू करे project, and that was a smart thing, right? Yes. Last year जब नहीं चल रहा था, हम लोग जडेजा अश्विन को बाहर करके ये youngsters को लेके आए, and they started exposing them, and now they're building that squad with the other youngsters too. They've invested in more youngsters in Prashant Veer, Karthik Sharma. So like I think they've done pretty well, and they have somebody like Sanju Samson there who has experience. I think the man Overton to he's done so well this season. Probably one of the most underrated players.
A lot of things have to go like credit to the owners also that they understood that हम last season हार गए. I mean, accepting that is always very difficult.
Yeah.
But the earlier you accept it, the faster you can work on it. Brevis को ला लिया आप सस्ते में 2 करोड़ में Brevis आया आपके पास. Ayush Matre unfortunately this season is not there, but last season he was the one who started that run rate का thing. From there, Sanju Samson got trade for Jadeja and Sampson, and that helped them a lot. Now you see Sarfaraz ko bhi la liya 75 lakh, which is not an absolute steal. Like the way he's been feeling, yes, not got it consistently, but he will come through for sure. He's one of those players that show you those signs. Over in the staff already mentioned Kare, Prashant Veer, Karthik Sharma for the future again. So they look like a team ready to go. Maybe one of fast bowler or Australian, Nathan Ellis, Spencer Johnson, Joby. They managed to ruffle them up and get them ready. Right? If they have Hyderabad. I think they have a match against Hyderabad. They have another 2 games. If they beat them, then again net run rate ये वो पाएंगे. But from where they started to now, I think Even Ruturaj Gaikwad with this tuk-tuk mentality, I think they've done an amazing job right now.
Yeah, I'm glad you mentioned the owners because normally Dhoni takes all the credit. So I think the owners will also be very happy to hear from you that they also deserve some credit.
Dhoni ka, the only thing I can give credit to Dhoni is I think the way he's not coming to the club. No, in a good way, because why you're giving the limelight to these guys. I love Dhoni, we all love Dhoni. Limelight there now.
I agree. No, I understand what you're saying in that way, but I agree in both ways. Like, no, because क्या हो रहा था यार, to be very honest, you have to be straight up. Like maybe Faiz won't say it, I will say it. Last year मजाक बन गया था धोनी का, right? Like वो आके एक वो करे थे, ये करे. If he's not fully fit, he's not completely fit. That's completely fine. If he comes to the ground, फिर वही मजाक उठाना for the reason there'll be every story. I know that it impacts numbers. I know that it impacts viewers, it impacts fans, it impacts a lot of things that Dhoni is not present. If he comes, so बढ़ जाएगा. लेकिन at the same time, if he's not fit, he's not fit. Like let him get fit and then he'll come and play the team.
And I think only one who could endure that kind of a thing was Dhoni. I think he took it upon himself. He became the captain. Brevis आ गया, आयुष मात्रे आ गया, वो rebuild कर दिया next year.
मतलब धोनी आया और चले गया और फिर टीम सेट हो गई.
धोनी चले गया and वही है ना कि भाई अब नहीं आ रहा because चलो इन लोगों को already.
Yeah, I think also I think he not him, the owners also have realized MS Dhoni is also getting older, right? And he doesn't play cricket on a. So it's difficult to expect from him over there. But yeah, like I was just looking at Overton, he was the player of the match. This guy has an incredible season. Hats off to him. And we always say that Dhoni as a player को चलाता. Now we say Gaikwad चला रहा है. Like whatever it is, it's a Chennai speciality. They get underrated bowlers and they make them into match winners.
And they give all them such a homely environment, right?
Yeah.
Like they're giving everything that you want and the facilities and everything. Like their owners, I'm pretty sure they're very good. Because yes, Dhoni has done this over a large period of time, but now under Ruturaj Gaikwad also they're giving you that same kind of a response. And I think they give you the freedom.
They're carrying that brand. They don't want to
And they give you the freedom. It's not like Mumbai Indians or like a Punjab Kings and they're at your ear. And they're such nice people. Like you see that last year the whole club was falling apart, right? The whole franchise. But they were always having a smile. Even after the game, Dhoni could walk up to him and talk to him, right? Like Dhoni obviously will never be shy, but even when Ruturaj was the captain, he would go in and talk to them, and there'd be always a smile on the face. Hota hai. That lady also we just saw right now with next to Overton. I think that's the wife of the owner and part owner honge. So like when you give that mahol to someone, then you feel indebted to the owner to be able to perform, and that's where the restructure that they did effective, quick. Dhoni, Ruturaj elbow injury हो गई, Dhoni आ गया. They laid the foundation. They said Dhoni must have said कि boss नहीं हो रहा मेरे से. Then they said immediately आपको निकालेंगे तो वो भी एक problem है. तो 2026 में maybe we come up with this thing. Ruturaj came, took charge. Sanju आ गया. That's a good +1 for him. Discussing, and now Sanju on the verge of an Indian captaincy. बोल रहे अभी confirm नहीं है. So that is helping them. Side में शायद धोनी भी का भी एक presence fade away in the background बोलते ना. Where Chepuk is still a bit at peak attendance, but they know कि भाई धोनी का भी situation doesn't look good. And he's most probably retiring. So it all worked out in the end for Chennai Super Kings. Now, if they went to the qualification, I think a lot of teams will be scared of Chennai.
Yeah, 100%. I think the way they're playing right now, they're playing good quality of cricket. थोड़ा सा मगर आप देखें middle order का issue अभी भी है. शिवम डुबी नहीं चल रहा. Brevis भी नहीं चल रहा. आपके प्रशांत वीर भी ठीक है, but he did his 6, but he gave 2 chances before that. And लखनऊ मैं क्या बोलूं भाई, ये टीम तो भाई ये सीजन तो छोड़ ही दो. जो भी उन लोग कर रहे गलती कर रहे, इतने गलतियां भाई. स्टार्ट इतने जबरदस्त मिल रहे, फिर बैटिंग ऐसी collapse होती. चलो 200 मिल गए उन लोग को, ओके फाइन. मगर फिर यार जब आप फील्ड में ऐसा एफर्ट लगा रहे, दे गॉट द गेम बैक. दिग्विजय एक आध विकेट लिया, प्रिंस यादव एक आध विकेट लिया, मगर फिर ऐसी बुरी फील्डिंग यार. दिग्विजय शराटी मतलब 2 लॉलीपॉप छोड़ा, उसके बाद पूरन भी कैच छोड़ा यार. एंड निकोलस पूरन, ऋषभ पंत, आई एम सॉरी टू से, बट they've had a very poor season. Like now it's simple, you sack them or I don't know what the other solution is, because it doesn't look like this is working anymore. 2 साल हो गए. I don't mind if you continue to back them, but then you'll have to change something different. Like I don't know if it's going to work or not, but it's not working for them. I think they're under pressure right now. So, to a certain extent, I feel that वहाँ पे माहौल ही खराब है, because KL Rahul भी आप देखो free है भाई. KL Rahul is like orange cap contender, highest individual score. If you asked me 2 years ago, I would say there is no way. I don't know what it is right now, but Pant and Puran need to sort it out. They need to talk to the owner and they need to discuss why they're not happy in this franchise. What is happening? Why they're happy? Why they are allowed to play with freedom? Why is there a change every single match? Even today there was changes. Where is Mohsen Khan? Where is why is Markram not opening? And when he's okay, fine, now you have Josh Inglis. Then why is Arshan Kulkarni? You're saying injury, but then you've changed the opening pair 15 times. What is happening, man, in the franchise? It is I do not understand.
Yeah, I mean, there's a lot of instability, musical chairs. They started off with a good bowling power play, and they were very good bowlers, all of them. But Digvesh's season obviously was very put off. He's not been in the same momentum. Bishnoi obviously वही bucket में तो चलो ठीक है, they're no loss or no harm in this. English बहुत देरी कर दी आने में, but Markram losing a spot उसको भी confusion में डाल दिया. Puran finally got his role but very late. ऋषभ पंत को एडजस्ट करते करते 2 साल हो गए आपको. So it's not just not just the ownership that you have to blame, it's the players' commitment as well. I mean, the bowlers did perform well, but the batsmen didn't step up. Badoni, Samad, and Himmat Singh and that lot as well. I'm sorry, but you'll have to take the blame as well. So it's been a lot of inconsistent performances. I thought George Linde could have been an option today because of the wicket, but Linde ko bhi aap right le liya. Like you went in with Digvesh Hardy, fine. You backed your Indian spinner and you brought in a Josh Inglis. It worked. But when you're having to bowl Markram in the last over, then there's some certain gitchiyan hota hai. And like you said, there is definitely a mahol that is very tensed. You have to figure it out. I mean, he has now been here for 5 years now, I think, Goenka, and if you're not able to understand that people need space, you've got a very good experience management in Tom Moody, Kane Williamson, Kruzner, Bharat Arun. So why aren't you being able to get the best out of these guys? Now, I don't know what they'll do with Rishabh Pant, but I think again it will be that call of recency bias. If Rishabh has an amazing season of Indian cricket, then maybe they'll probably stick with it.
The thing is, with Rishabh Pant, I think for his own sake, he might want to move somewhere. But if Goenka learns, how the Punjab Kings learned, how the Sunrisers learned, if they learn we need to let the players free, we should not be involved. It's clear to me that the ownership is involved in the decision making, because you cannot have every single match talk. Right? Every single match there's a change.
The only thing in that, I feel like if it was Goenka, which I don't doubt there's a mahol problem, but aapka Moody is one of them. Muh pe bol denga Moody, he'll be screw you, man. I'm here. Tom Moody, there are big people in that dugout as well. And that is the only thing that I'm thinking. Tom Moody is an Australian at the end of the day. So I don't know what it is. I agree with you also, but my left head is thinking.
Moody does forgot how to coach, because he never used to do this in Sunrisers. In Sunrisers, he used to back the players. He used to back the
Josh Inglis and Moody was one spoke Josh Inglis and
मैं इसलिए तो बोल रहा हूँ ना, मुझे ऐसा इसलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ ओनर इन्वॉल्व है, बिकॉज Moody तो इतना पागल नहीं है. मैं तो और वर्ड्स यूज करना चाह रहा हूँ, बट उतना नहीं है. राइट अगर वैसा था तो उन्हें अगर मुंह पे बोलना था तो आई डोंट थिंक उन्हें बोल सकता. उसके पास पावर नहीं होगा, उसके पास उन्हें भी जॉब पे ही लगा हुआ है ना. अगर मूडी सुन रही अगर ये सब मूडी के कॉल से, तो फिर यार he forgot how to coach, because he didn't used to do this in other teams. He used to back his players. When he was in Sunrisers, we loved him, man. Tom Moody, what a coach. Sri Lanka mein bhi kya coach tha. Yeah, Justin Langer also, he's also there. Who else? There's another guy we're missing, man. Kluzner is there. Yeah, Williamson is there. So I don't think they're making the calls, man. Otherwise, यार उन लोग जैसा आप बोल रहे कि उन लोग मुंह पे बोलते हैं, मगर उन लोग इतने भी डम नहीं है ऐसे calls. अगर ऐसे है तो फिर उन लोग कोचिंग भूल गए. फिर उन लोग को नहीं आता कोचिंग, भाई उनको सैक कर दो लगे. बिकॉज यार इसे ना मूडी को मैं जितना भी देखा, मैं तो उसको 15 साल से देख रहा हूँ, आप भी देख रहे हैं उसको 15 साल से, इतना कब कितना करा यार, एवरी मैच निकाल रहे हैं प्लेयर को.
मसला यही है कि to settle a lot of, Goenka might be involved, again I'm agreeing with that partly, but players भी settle होने में बहुत टाइम ले रहे. ऋषभ पंत एंड पुरान कहाँ खिलाऊं. मार्करम के रन्स थोड़े आए शुरू में बेचारे, उसको भी तो एडजस्ट ऋषभ पंत आप फैलाए, एकदम से बदोनी ऊपर आ गया. So there's a lot of waywardness in that franchise. It's a collective thing.
यार मगर आप ऋषभ पंत को अगर एडजस्ट सही में करना चाहते थे तो आप उसको रख देते एक ही पोजीशन में. आप उसको एडजस्ट करना नहीं चाह रहे, आप उसको ही तकलीफ में डालना चाह रहे और आपको टीम को तकलीफ में डालना चाह रहे. अगर उसको एडजस्ट कराना है, if you want to make him feel comfortable, let him play in one position the whole time. You're screwing with him. Right? You tell me which captain, Shreyas Iyer, have you seen him go up and down, unless the match is required. He doesn't go up and down. अपना कैप्टन को Pat Cummins वही पैडेड अप रहता है. He can come whenever he wants. आप उसको एडजस्ट नहीं करना चाह रहे, आप उसको कंफर्टेबल नहीं रखना चाह रहे, उसकी माँ बहन करना चाह रहे हो, फैसला करें. मेरे को ऐसा लगा, I could be wrong, but यार अगर आप उसको फुल कंट्रोल दे रहे तो then he should bat in the position he wants the whole season. He should not moving up and down. This is why मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है. मेरे पास कोई सबूत तो नहीं है, मेरे पास उतने कनेक्शंस नहीं है, लेकिन मैं गारंटी देके बोल सकता हूँ कि ऋषभ पंत के पास कंट्रोल नहीं है ये टीम में. नहीं तो उन्हें उसकी बैटिंग पोजीशन पिंडा भी नहीं हिलाता. There is no way he'll change his batting position. He has that much like if he is the captain of the team, he will not change his batting position, and I don't think he would change even Markram and Marsh's batting position. That is why I'm questioning it. If you see every other captain who is there, Gaikwad for example, Ruturaj Gaikwad is shit during the first half of the season. Like he was so poor. People were saying निकालो इसको, सैमसन को कैप्टन. मैं भी बोला था क्या उन्हें कहाँ हटा भाई, वही ओपन कर रहा उन्हें. And what happened? He started getting runs. So if you actually wanted Pant to perform, if you wanted the best for him, give him one number at the start of the season and let him play. That's what you've seen. Like most of the captains do.
That way है ना कि like for that also, I mean with that Purant को भी ऐड करो आप, like उसका भी नहीं चल रहा. Like then last season से भी like Pant का है, so I don't know if he has a lot of lip now.
यार वो बात सही है, मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा हूँ आप मत क्रिटिसाइज करो, आप मारो प्लेयर की. लाइक पूरन भी गंदे शॉट खेल रहा, पंत भी क्या खराब बैटिंग कर रहा है. ही इज बैटिंग वेरी पोरली, ही इज नॉट प्लेइंग गुड एट ऑल. मगर मैं आपको ये बोल रहा हूँ कि भाई उनको तो वो कंफर्ट लेवल तो वो क्लैरिटी तो आप क्लैरिटी नहीं दे रहे. आप उसको ओपन करा रहे, ये करा रहे, वो करा रहे, क्यों कर रहे हैं आप ये? व्हाई यू प्लेइंग रोलर कोस्टर? इज इट द मैनेजमेंट? इज इट द ओनर्स? बिकॉज़ I can one thing, I have watched enough cricket. I know a captain will never move his position like ऊपर नीचे. हम भी जब खेलते cricket as a batsman, you know, as a captain, you know, unless we play like non-league and amateur, if you're playing a league match, you're not going to keep changing your number. Like you want to play in one position, that's how you're going to be comfortable.
Now that is the thing. I think they're just trying to 2 years से trying to identify where he's comfortable. Opening भी try करे, 6 भी try करे, 5.
नहीं क्यों ट्राई कर रहे हैं? उन्हें कंफर्टेबल जहां है, अगर 4 पे है 4 पे ही रखो ना. आप उसको क्यों ट्राई कर रहे हैं? आप उधर ही रखो. गायकवाड को भी आपको मालूम है यार, उन्हें शायद ओपनिंग में कंफर्टेबल नहीं होगा, मगर उसको रखे ना वहां पे. आप उसको वहीं खिला दो, 4 पे खिला दो ना, जहां पे उन्हें. आपके पास अगर मार्करम वो है, उसको 4 पे खिला दो, रख दो वहां पे. Why are you changing him? पूरन को क्यों कर रहे हैं आप? मार्करम को क्यों कर रहे हैं? चलो ठीक है, पंत you want to adjust him. Why you adjusting the other guys?
अब वो ये ट्रिकल डाउन हो जा रहा, पूरा पंत को लगे एंड देन फिर आई थिंक कहीं ना कहीं लेफ्ट राइट कॉम्बिनेशन में अटक गए
यार. वही तो लोग पूरा राइट अप फेल दिए लखनऊ की टीम यार.
And then when you have 5 figures in the dressing room, right, like they'll have a contrary plus the owner on top of that, like Goenka. It's gonna be
it is very confusing, man. Like to be very honest with you, like I don't know, like you can have
solution.
Yeah, like they have to, I think, just let it loose, give the players more responsibility, let them play. Then you can hold accountability. If Rishabh Pant is not told to keep moving his position, if Pooran is not told to keep moving his position, you can do that, right? Even the bowling आप देख लो यार, कभी मोहसिन को खिला रहे, कभी इसको खिला रहे, कभी जमखाना को खिला रहे, मयंक यादव को 2 गेम खिलाए बस. क्या है मतलब? लाइक आप कर रहे, क्या कर रहे? बॉलिंग भी अनसेटल हो जा रही. आज तो आई मीन कौन सा गेम था वो? देयर वाज वन गेम they got battered because they changed the bowling lineup straight away. I think it was against Mumbai Indians. I don't know what they're doing, man. वहां पे भी लग गए थे उन लोग के. पर चलो ठीक है, it is what it is. But what's happened now is that it's heated up. 2 teams are gone now. It's heated up in the top 8. And we'll have to see what's going to happen. Faz looking forward to the
the fixtures are very intertwined. Punjab, Gujarat, Hyderabad, RCB, they all play somewhere down the line. Kal Punjab, Delhi Capitals. For Delhi Capitals, again, there's a potential getting knocked out, obviously. But if they stop Punjab, then Punjab will be probably the team to sort of fall, like we saw, Rajasthan the other day. Gujarat is making a very strong case for them. They're playing Hyderabad. RCB has to play Punjab, and then they also have to play Hyderabad and I think LLG. MI is knocked out, and MI has to play Punjab as well. So there are a lot of matches still to look forward to in this last 2 weeks that we have in terms of the league stages, and it's going to be a very, very interesting ride. Like right now, RCB is on top, Hyderabad is second, and Gujarat is third, and Punjab is fourth. But tomorrow, Punjab sip, then here we go again, rolling the dice every game from there onwards.
Yeah, so stay tuned for the latest updates of the IPL. Hit the like button, subscribe, and do comment. Thank you, everybody, and take care. Good night.